it's Snacks and welcome back to my channel. So this is gonna be a good one, guys. This is the 10th anniversary limited edition MSI Godlike motherboard. So let's open it up and check it out. So right off the bat, first thing I notice is it has a pretty solid weight to it. So I do have a scale here. Let's go ahead and weigh it. So it's 18.3 pounds. So they were really thoughtful when it came to the designing of the package. We have here the Godlike 10th anniversary at the front with the X carved out. We also have the same right here on the side with the name Godlike 10th anniversary, and here at the back we can see a similar design pattern that they incorporated that you'll also see onto the motherboard, and then the name again on the other side. And then over here at the front you just see the logo again, Godlike 10th anniversary edition. So that was everything outside the box. Now let's take a look at what's inside the box. So there's a flap here, and the flap has magnets, so it feels very high quality. Now let's go ahead and open this up. Bean. Okay, all right, I'm back. I had to put Bean away and I put on some gloves. Okay, so what do we have here? So here we have the Easy Control Hub, the M.2 expander. This is an Easy Clip 10th Anniversary Edition heatsink. I'm not exactly sure what this is, but we'll check it out later. Then we have the Wi-Fi antenna, the accessories, and this one I'm actually excited about. This is the 10th Anniversary Lucky Plushie. Now to remove this top part, all you have to do is just slide it out. How cool is that? So at first glance, the thing that I'm noticing that's different with the 10th anniversary Godlike motherboard are these gold accents right here. And then we have the Easy Clip heatsink. Now we know that there is the Godlike 10th anniversary edition. Now I'm not as cool as you guys, so mine doesn't have the number down here, but yours will have it. And of course this part is different. So early on, I didn't know what this was, but now I do know, and it's really cool. But first, I'm gonna show you guys the back. So at the back, there's this USB-C port. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and plug this in. All right, now let's just open it up. So there's a magnet right over here and here, and it feels very high quality. And if this little guy looks familiar to you, that's because that's the magnetic connection that we use for the Easy Clip heatsink. And I have here with me the Godlike Anniversary Edition heatsink. So let's just go on ahead and display it. Voila! It's a display case. All right, I'm excited for this one. So our lucky 10th anniversary edition plushie is a keychain. I like how he's black. He reminds me of Toothless a little bit. We have all these other acrylic pieces, which accompanies Lucky. Here it says overpower with innovation, and on the other side it says MSI Enthusiast Gaming. We have the godlike symbol, the X for the 10th anniversary edition, and then we have here like this little leather piece with the 10th and the MEG. So that was a quick look at the 10th anniversary limited edition MSI Godlike motherboard. Now I will be having another video coming out later this week where I installed this onto one of my builds, and that video will be a little bit more technical and we'll also go over the history of the previous iterations of the Godlike motherboard. So be sure to subscribe and to turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss that video. And with that said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.